Oh, really big. Really big, oh. Really big. Really big. And bell pepper. 1 bell pepper. Kasi maliliit pa iba. Wala. So big. And the tomato, kinuha ko na. At na-enjoy, na-excite ako. Kinain ko na. Very nice. Thanks for watching. Hello, good afternoon everyone. Welcome back to my channel. This is Wilma, your friend, your very dear friend. How's everyone? I hope you're all in good health. Today's video, I'm going to harvest third time. I want to see my tomatoes. I've got lots of tomatoes already. It's a very big. I want to share with you guys, and it's really very windy today. It's really very windy and a bit cloudy. Here are my tomato. So big, right? Very big. Very big. King size tomato. I've got lots of tomatoes. Yan, dami-dami. Sulit yung gastos. That's really big. Ang dami-dami. Yan, tawag pa o. Tatlo. Ito rin. Yan yung mga maliliit pa. Yan. Nakakatuwa. May okra. Ayan pa. Dami. Lots of tomatoes. Ayan pa. Waiting na maging red. Third time to harvest today. Saluyo. Ang aking edamame. Ito lang yung really windy. Ayan na. Tomato. May eggplant. Laki na yun. Eggplant. Ayan. Size niya. So big. Harvest tayo guys. Samahan niyo ako mag-harvest. harvest na. And my watermelon. This is my watermelon. Wala siyang flower. Watermelon. I hope na mabuhay siya. Ang ating watermelon. King sili. Green sili. Bell pepper. Bell pepper, so big. So big, oh. Pwede pang sayaw sa Minoilo. Ay, napula na siyang tomato. Ay, mapula ng tomato. Ayan o. Ayan o. Kunin na natin yung tomato. Yeah. Ayan o, tomato o. Pula na siya. I want to try. This. Go and try. What's the taste? Let's try. Let's wash and try. Hindi pa masyadong hinog pero kinuha ko na baka masira. Let's try. Let's try what's the taste. Yummy. Sarap. Really nice. So big. This is a king tomato. Sayaw ko. Really delicious. Habis na yung natin yung okra bang? Okra. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay na, guys. Ito na yung harvest ko. This is my third time harvesting. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.